Akash, how are you?
Hello sir, I'm Subham. What about you?
So Akash, we have Akash with us. He is our alumni from MIT. So Akash, we want to know something about yourself and something about the college. Why you choose MIT? Why you choose mechanical? How MIT helped you in your career? So tell me something about yourself.
So, hello all, my name is Akash Goyal. Recently I graduated from MIT and I have done BTech in mechanical engineering. And as you can see, this is electric cycle, but this is not an electric cycle, this is also an electric foldable cycle which I have made in my last year project. This electric foldable cycle was my final project, and on this cycle I have one patent, and also I have write a research paper on this. Also in last semester I placed in Anes Tivata Motherson and in Cognizant.
Very nice. So you published a SCI research paper on this project?
Sir, UGC approved. My journal was a UGC approved journal in which I published my research paper with two of my friends. And in last year I got placed in Cognizant India Private Limited and in Anes Tivata Motherson.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you, sir.
I just hope you got a good package.
Yeah.
So did you join the company yet?
Yeah, sir. As I was from mechanical background, so I choose to join Motherson company instead of Cognizant, because now as we can see our government mission and vision, and I think, and it's also proving that mechanical is going to increase once again.
So here can we say MIT helped you to getting your job, or what job responsibility you're performing there? So in your education, in your 4 years education, do you relate any subject or any skills that MIT teaches you that you are that help you in your job profile?
Yeah, I can. When I joined Motherson as a GET, so there was a training period of 6 months in which I trained myself in different departments. So when I moved to engineering department, first of all they ask, as you are from mechanical background, so you should know the drawing concept and the designing concept. So in our college, on our first floor we have a solid edge lab, and on third floor we have ANSYS lab.
Very nice.
And MIT is the only college in Western UP, as I know, that which have ANSYS certificate and ANSYS license.
So you are ANSYS certified?
No, I was a solid edge certified.
Okay. So Akash, can you just explain in few words how MIT helped you in your life?
Sir, MIT play a major role in my life, as this was as in every student life, college plays an important role, because college is the last, I think, that which where he enjoys his life, because after college life he pursued towards professional life where he can't enjoy that much. But college helps a lot with that enjoyment, and also helps you in your professional career, where you, as in MIT. Before joining MIT, I was some low in confidence, and I was some hesitation in public speaking. But when I joined MIT, and there was some our PDP classes, personality development program, in which I boost up my confidence and participate in some public conferences, and also in some group stages, and I also perform some debates regarding politics.
So, what message you want to give to your juniors?
The message for our juniors is that you should focus on your academics. You should also focus on your extra skills. But when you move to your professional career, your degree matters. But more than your degree, your skills matters. So in which, like I have felt that when I moved to Motherson company, I use SAP, I use advanced Excel skills, which I was certified in our college. And also, वो चीज़ और ऐड करनी थी कि अपना एकेडमी ध्यान दो.
कंटिन्यू रखो, कंप्लीट कर ले.
Also, you should focus on your academics, because when your end semester exams came, you should stop your some curricular activities, and you should focus on your academics, because your academics matters when it comes to some government exams like your SSB. You can directly move to your SSB exam without giving any proper exam, and that's I know, and I have given 4 times SSB with my BTEC marks.
I just want to add one more line into this. You must obey your teachers. So, cause means what I believe in my career also means there are lots of teachers that we met, and they guide us on day-to-day basis. Just you need to follow them. If they told you to sit in the class, then you must sit in the class. You must be regular in the class. You must attend all the examination. You must take seriously your marks and examination. So do you agree with that?
Yeah, I agree with that. You should obey your teachers because they know the phase they have gone through, and you are going through with that phase because you don't know the future, but they knows, and that what are the challenges they faced if you didn't listen there. If you don't listen their perspective. Also, as I know that my first year, that when I was in first year, my physics faculty, Dr. Amit Saxena, he was a PhD graduate from IIT Allahabad. So he told me that you should always focus on your academics, because your academics matter when it comes to your government exams.
Dr. Salinder.
And I should also thank to our HOD, Dr. Shalendra Tyagi sir, who helped to gain our some extra skills which they implemented in our college when students demand. So they implemented, like they introduced Siemens labs. Also, they introduced advanced CNC robot drills, which are now new in market. But also they introduced IoT and also Industry 4.0 in a mechanical engineering course.
Okay, very nice to hear this from you. Thank you so much, Akash, to be with us. God bless you with best future.
And I would like to give a good luck for our juniors. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.